Hi, welcome to monumentalmath.com. We're going to be doing factor the difference of squares. Let me remind you, if you have x plus 3 times x minus 3, you get first times first, you get x squared. You get a positive 3x and a negative 3x, so they drop out. And then you get 3 times a negative 3, which is a minus 9. So you get a square minus a square, which is called the difference of squares. So if I give you the difference of squares, I want you to go backwards and tell me what two binomials got you that answer. So here's what I want you to do. This came from x times x. This came from 3 times 3, and it becomes a difference. X squared came from x and x. 64 came from 8 times 8. One time they were added, one time they're subtracted. So you put a plus sign there and a minus sign there, and you're done. Now let's get your binomial parentheses ready. X squared came from x and x. 100 came from 10 and 10. One time added, one time subtracted, done. X squared minus 144. Get your parentheses ready. X squared came from x times x. 144 came from 12 and 12. One time added, one time subtracted is how you'll get the difference of squares. Okay, I hope you see the pattern and then use it again and again and again. Next one, set 2. Same kind of thing, but I used a little bit more complicated numbers. Get your parentheses ready. X squared came from x and x. 900 came from 30 times 30. One time added, one time subtracted. X squared minus 0.09. X squared came from x times x. Now in the factors, you only need 0.3 and 0.3, because 0.3 times 0.3 would give us 2 places behind the decimal. One time add, one time subtract. Now if I give you a big number, x squared minus 6,400, x squared came from x times x. 64 comes from 8 times 8. There's 2 zeros, which means each 8 had a 0. So now it's, to get a difference of squares, you need a one-time addition, one-time subtracted. That's all there is. Follow the pattern and see if you can get your brain to analyze and come up with the answer. Identify which of the multiple choice answers is correct. I want you to go for accuracy, certainly, but then go for speed. See if your brain can get mighty speedy. Okay, good luck, and I hope you enjoy the challenge.